Hello, all. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. We're coming to the end here. So, what we'll be looking at today, we're going to be looking at Ed Puzzle on globalization. Uh, just some housekeeping things. Remember, we're still accepting redos and late work. Just make sure you submit Google Classroom and email. And Schoology will be open the rest of the week, Tuesday through Friday, from 8 to 12. As has been the norm, this is an individual assignment. All right, so click on the Ed Puzzle here and complete it. But here are your preview for the questions that you're going to be asked. Question one, how does John Green define globalization? Two, what are some factors that John Green points to in order to explain why the scale of global trade has increased? So global trade is not the issue. It's been around for hundreds of years at this point. But why? The question is, what factors have caused that to increase? Three, what does John Green list as some of the advantages of globalization? Give us three. Four, how does John Green say your t-shirt is an indication of how globalization has made your life better? So there's a little story about t-shirt. How does that show that your life has gotten better for previous generations? Five, John Green mentioned some of the radical changes brought by globalization. What are they? And our last question. This video is subtitled The Upside, but John Green still seems to give a lot of downsides to globalization. Do you think the advantages of globalization are worth it? And how might your answer change if you lived somewhere else or in different circumstances? So this question's got two parts, right? Do you think the advantages of globalization are worth it? And then how might your answer change if you live somewhere else or in different circumstances? So if you might help if you think of a somewhere else or what those different circumstances may be and share as you answer that question. As always, if you have any questions, please email. Otherwise, I hope all is well and take care.